TDC stands for Truck Driving Championship, and it's a skills test. You get a chance to take a written and get behind a truck and actually drive the trucks, and you get a chance to compete against other truck drivers and test your skills and knowledge. So Truck Drivers Rodeo. So. And did pretty well today. It looks like there's a big turnout, and expect to have a better turnout next year, but did pretty well. Hopefully, been here since 6 in the morning, so I'm pretty tired, and there's a lot of competitors out here today. So yeah, it was lots of fun.